Good afternoon all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
What we discussed last day? We discussed last day.
Money.
We discussed money. We discussed money. So money is in the form of money is in the form of notes and coins. Notes and coins. We use money for buying things. And what we call the money used in a country, what we call the money used in a country is called
Currency.
It is currency. Did you write and study the spelling of currency?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So those who are not there yesterday, please listen here. See, we use money for buying things. And we can see the money in notes and coins. And these coins are made up of metals. And in olden days, these coins are made up of bronze and silver. They are metals. And each country having its own money. So we call this currency, currency, currency. The money used in a country is called currency. And what is the Indian currency? What's the name of the Indian currency?
Rupee.
Rupee. It is rupee. Yeah, we use the currency rupee. The spelling is R-U-P-E-E, rupee. Nowadays, the coins are available are 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. And notes we can see 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, and 2000 rupees. Okay, and today let's see the symbol for rupee. Did you see the symbol of rupee? In coins and notes, we can see the symbol for rupee.
Yes.
Yes. See, did you write the letter Ra in Hindi? Ra?
Yes.
Did you study the letter Ra in Hindi?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let me share the screen. Let's see the symbol for rupee. Here also you can see in coins. See 1 rupee, you can see the symbol. Here also 2 rupees, you can see the symbol. 5 rupees, you can see the symbol. Okay, how we will write this, the symbol of rupee? In Hindi, we are writing the letter Ra, no? See, this is the letter Ra. Yes? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to put one more small line at the middle.
Yes.
Okay, so now it is the symbol for rupee. Now let's see in notes and all. See here also you can see the symbol, no? Rupee symbol.
Yes.
Identify the note. How many rupees?
10 rupees. 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
10 rupees. So here you can see the symbol. 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
See? Identify the note.
50 rupees. 50 rupees.
Here also you can see the symbol.
Yes.
Now, what about this?
100 rupees.
Right?
100 rupees.
Next we have 200 rupees.
200 rupees.
A rupee. Good afternoon. Those who joined late, please listen here. 500 rupees. Here also we can see the symbol. No, we didn't start to write. Please listen. So this here also we can see 2000 rupees. Here also we can see the symbol.
2000 rupees.
So the symbol is used this way. Okay, that is a symbol we use for used for rupee. Now, see how we will write 1 rupee or rupee 1 in figures and words.
Yeah. First, we want to write the symbol and write one.
Very good, very good, very good. That's correct. So I have to write 1 rupee in words. 1 rupee. I am giving you like this, or I am giving you in words. See, one that is better, no? See, 1 rupee.
Ma'am, I have right.
This is in words.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have right.
Yes, Aldrin. You have
1 rupee. എഴുതടാ വേവാ. ഇന്ദൂട്ടി ചപ്പ.
Aldrin, tell me. I can't hear. I don't know. It's my. Yes, please unmute and tell me, Aldrin.
The sound is very low.
I can hear. Can you hear? Aldrin is telling something.
Yes.
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 Is it clear to you all?
Yes. No. No.
I didn't hear. That's why I asked.
No.
It's okay.
I join
Later
now.
we can speak. Okay, later we can speak.
Ma'am, I
Now.
join now.
Okay. Now, please listen here. See, 1 rupee. How we
Ma'am,
will
I
write in
join now.
figures? We will put the symbol for rupee. Then we will write the number. So this is in figures. Figures means we are using the symbol. Figures. This is in words. Okay. See, 5 rupees. 5 rupees. So we can write in figures. First of all, we'll put the symbol, then the number. 5 rupees. Next one. See, 100 rupees. So we will write the symbol for rupee, then the number. Okay. So here we are writing words and here we are writing in figures. Now, I will show you some cards. Will you identify the note?
Yes. Yes.
I don't know, is it clear or not for you? Ishan, will you identify the note?
10.
Huh?
10. 10.
10 rupees. It is 10 rupees. Okay. Darshak Unnikrishnan, will you identify this coin?
2. 2 rupees.
2 rupees. Mohammed Aidin, what about this? What about this?
10 rupees.
It is 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
10 rupees. Ma'am, writing.
No need to write now. Please listen here. Please listen here. Arshika, will you identify this?
100 rupees.
100 rupees. It is 100 rupees. What about this? Aaron Pilijo, identify the note. Identify the currency.
200.
It is 200 rupees. It is 200 rupees. What about this? It's a coin. 5 rupees. John Paul, what about this?
50 rupees. 50 rupees. 50 rupees. 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Ma'am, I can join now.
What about this? The bigger amount.
200 rupees.
2000 having 3 zeros. 2000. It is 2000. So let's write this in the notebook.
Yes.
Please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. I will share the screen. We can write in notebook. See, last day we wrote no some points. The same page you can use. The same page you can use for writing.
And fresh page?
No need of fresh page, my dear. The same page you can use. We completed only 3 points. So today we are starting the point. 4th point. You can start. THE. The Indian. INDIAN. The Indian currency.
Ma'am, you want to write?
Yeah, you have to write in the notebook. The Indian currency is dash. Please write in the notebook. The Indian currency is dash. The Indian currency is dash. Anthony Naiju, what is the Indian currency? The Indian currency is what we call the Indian currency?
Rupee.
Ah, rupee. The Indian currency is rupee. The Indian currency is a rupee. Jiju, will you tell me the spelling of rupee? Rupee. What will come? R.
R-U-P-E-E.
Very good. The Indian currency is rupee. R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. The Indian I-N-D-I-A-N. The Indian currency C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y. The Indian currency is rupee. R-U-P-E-E.
I have completed.
Adna, sir. What is the spelling of rupee, Adna? What is the spelling of rupee?
R-U-P-E-E.
Tell me. R-U-P-E-E.
Rupee.
I have completed. Indian currency is rupee.
I have completed.
Okay. Badri.
Yes.
What is the Indian currency? What we call the Indian currency?
Rupee.
Rupee. What's the spelling of rupee?
P-E-E.
R-U-P-E-E. Okay. Now we can move to the next point. The symbol. We are using addition plus symbol. For subtraction, we are using minus symbol. Here, the symbol THE, the symbol SYMBOL, the symbol used for rupee, RUPEE.
Ma'am, you are right now. Come in the ball.
It will come. The symbol used for rupee is, write the letter Ra in Hindi.
Ma'am, we want to write it. Ma'am, we want to write it.
You have to write in the notebook. The symbol used.
Ma'am, my page is full. Can I
Please
go
take
to
it.
the next page?
Yeah, fresh page. The next point here we have. We write ₹1 as the symbol of rupee, then the number 1. We write ₹1 as, put the symbol and the number. The Indian currency is rupee. The symbol used for rupee is the symbol you have to draw. We write ₹1 as, put the symbol and the number. Then the last point. The number on the coin
Not from the board.
or not. The number on the coin or not is its value. VALUE. The number on the coin or not is its value. The number on the coin or not is its value. You can see the number on the coin or the knot. So that a number will tell its value. The Indian currency is rupee. The symbol used for rupee is the symbol you have to write. Basil, are you writing in the notebook?
Mama, I have completed.
Okay. Students are ready. Let them complete.
Mama, Ma'am, Harriet have completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can close our notebook.
No. Some more we have to write. We are going to write in words and figures. So that 3 more questions are there. Then we can close. Rida Mariam is there? Rida Mariam? No. What about
Completed.
Rayan Jobi is present? Rayan Jobi. Who is the Sibini?
100%.
Yes?
100%.
Rida Mariam present?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the Sibini? It is written Cibiny. Sibini. Have to put the attendance, that's why. Yes, Rida Marim is present. I want to know. See, Abbal is present. Abbal, if you are present, tell me you are present. Then I want to know Ahlam. Ahlam is present. Andrea Babu. Dhananjay. Elon. Isa Jolie. Henna. Liz Maria.
Present.
Liz Maria present.
Yes. Can go to toilet.
Yes, yes. Liz Maria is present. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. We are going to write some more. Okay, just 1 minute. Mohammed Haizam is here. Haizam. Mohammed Said. Said is here.
Ma'am, serious of that I don't. That's why I don't know.
Rayan Jobi. Sai Krishna. All others are present. Okay, now we can write. If you have space in the same page, you can write there. Otherwise, you can take a fresh page.
Ma'am, my page is complete.
You can take a fresh page. Write in figures. That is a question. Write in figures. Figures. Write in figures. And here we have the first question. 1 rupee. So how we will write in figures? 1 rupee. How we will write in
First we want to write one and the symbol.
First of all, we will write the symbol. Then we will write the number. Let's write the answer. Put the symbol, then the number. Now here we have B. It is 50 rupees. You write answer, okay? And one more, C. 2 rupees.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You can't see the board. I will send the notes in the group. ₹1. Put the symbol of symbol and write number 1. 50 rupees. Write the symbol of rupee and write the number 50. If it is 2 rupees, put the symbol and write the number. So this is the way we are writing in figures. Tomorrow we will write in words. I will give you in figures. You have to write in words. That we will do tomorrow. Only A, B and C.
Mama have completed.
Okay, okay. Those who have completed, you can close your notebook. Only this much for today. But you have to write and see the spelling. If you don't know the spelling of currency and rupee, you have to write and study. Write and study in the rough book.
Ma'am completed.
Okay. A and Jomi completed. Good.
Ma'am completed.
Okay. So what's the spelling of currency? What is the spelling of currency?
Currency.
What about rupee? Very simple. Rupee. Rupee. Rupee is enough. The Indian currency is rupee. So RUPEE. Rupee.
RUPE. Ma'am, I have completed.
You can close your notebook. It's enough for you today. See, you can do one thing in your notebook. I don't know, I tell yesterday. See, you can make the impression of the coins on your notebook. Impressions of the coins. How we will do make the impressions of coins? See, you may have the coins, no? 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. So these coins, you keep it inside the book and turn the next page. And on the page, you can draw the shape of that, we can say coins. So you will get the impression of that coin.
Mama, I didn't understand.
Okay, I will tell. See, take the coin, take the coin, keep it here. Okay, then here you can keep the coin, then you fold like this. Okay, and this page you will get what we can say the impression of the coin. Just to put the shape. There you can see the symbol and all. Just using that pencil, you just shade it. So you will get the impression of the coin. So you can do it like that. All the coins. 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees and 10 rupees.
Ma'am, my dad always giving 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Yeah.
For what, Sebastian? For putting in the piggy bank? Yes? So, okay then, we will meet in the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah. If you,
Bye,
okay.
ma'am.
Thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next class.
Bye.